Welcome everyone to the ultimate emoji quiz. Here's how it works. We'll show you 2 emojis and you have 10 seconds to guess the compound word they make. For every word you get right, you get 1 point. So keep track of your score, and when this video is over, I want to see every single one of you in the comments telling me how you did. Ready to play? Let's get started with the first one. In 3, 2, 1, now! Butterfly, you fluttered right to the answer. Let's see what emerges from this next chrysalis. Goldfish, you're swimming in correct answers. Don't let your memory be as short as on this next one. Jellyfish, you didn't get stung by that tricky one. Let's see if you can float through this next guess. Alright, Lighthouse, you're shining bright on number 20. Halfway through this first set, are you still with me? Let's beam the next one your way. Moonlight, you're a shining star for getting that.